So hello guys, I hope you like it, my unboxing Airbed mattress. So anyway, I bought this in the Amazon para kay Jenny Vlog USA because she's coming in a 1 week. That's the next weekend. This INTEX Dura-Beam standard pillow rest classic airbed, it has revolutionary patented technology that introduces a unique new airbed. Airbed with a fiber tech construction are comprised of 1,000 of high-strength polyester fiber, resulting in amazing durability for years and lasting comfort. This is comfortable because covered in a soft, velvety sleeping surface to enhance comfort. The unique fiber tech inner constructions provides the ultimate stability and support. And it's durable because fiber tech construction provides enhanced comfort, stability, and support, unlike traditional airbed construction high-strength polyester fiber. Do not stretch over time. Yeah, of course, before I bought this one, I was looking on the Google what the best Airbed mattress, and this is the top two, which has Dura-Beam standard pillow rest classic. As you can see it later, there is a pillow rest that you don't need to provide pillow for your guest, but if you want, then it's up to you. This brand is INTEX Dura-Beam because it has 1,000 of high-strength polyester fiber that provide enhanced and comfort, stability, and support. Plus, you don't need to have a pillow for your guests because it's already hot, like what I said earlier. This airbed with easy pump. This is quick fill plus internal pump. Max weight capacity is 600 pounds or 272 kilogram. And then it has a limited warranty, 90 days. And this is not allowed for 0 to 15 months, and they have instruction papers inside. This is queen, and it has a measure 60-inch by 80-inch by 10-inch, or in meter 1.52 meter by 2.03 meter and 225 centimeter. From the top to the ground, it has 10-inch height.